Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Thursday, February the 22nd, 2024, and we have here three regular puzzles, and two of them are already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the regular puzzle. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles we have here. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me continue with this one. I need some lights. Okay. And what's the news of today? Well, Putin has won the battle of Avdiivka. The Russian army has conquered Avdiivka in Ukraine. So Putin has won this battle, but he has not won the war. All right. Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8053. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. And I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars. 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For a 2-star puzzle, for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So question is this a 3 stars, 2 stars, or a 1 star puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, here a single box, and there a single box. Always a 1. Well, a lot of single boxes. First time I see 4 of them. Alright, next question. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it cannot be a 5 because this is a quadra box. Quadra boxes has no 5s in the quadra box. Yeah, there's no 5s. So this box should be definitely a 4 then. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Well, we have a quadra box here. So we have here 1, 2, and a 3. Well, another triple box then. And I've told you the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So this should be also 4 or a 5 here. 1, 2, 3. Do not know in which order. Alright. Then, my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another same shape. This box has the same. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one, the third one. Well. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, out of focus. So in this case it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have in this puzzle L shapes? More L shapes? Nope, only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, suppose I place the 5 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it can be a 5 here. Not a solution to place the 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes surround 1, can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then let me think. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 4, but we already have a 4 there, so it cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 2 then, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 4, can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Is also connected with this box, should be also a 4. Alright. And now, these 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Well, now, Two numbers left in the squash area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Same for this triple box, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Same for this quarter box, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. And now, two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Well. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there. If I place the 5 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area. So not a solution to place the 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be here. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 3 should be there. And one box left in this area for number 2. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, this box should be a 3. Yes, it's connected with each other, so it should be a 3. These two boxes can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now, well. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Yeah, two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, cannot fill this yet. Okay. Why? It's did I made a mistake here? 2, 3. I think I made a mistake here. I cannot, it's unclosed here. It's unclosed here. Or I made a mistake here, one conclusion. Place the 4 there. No, should be a 4 here. Well. It's unclosed. Did I made a mistake? Where is the error? 2 and the 4. How can I trigger those numbers? Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left of the 2 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Well, it's solved. It's solved. So, correct. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. No. Not a 4. These 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Yes, this is the correct answer. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box, well. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 4. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5. 3 to 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be in, 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big score, in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be in, 2 goes there, finish in 50 minutes. Well, a little bit slower. Not faster than 50 minutes. Few seconds. Should be at 2 stars then. Yeah. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.